So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the second part of this build. I'm going to show you a little montage of everything I did, and then you're going to see the end result. Yeah, not the whole complete end result, because I still got this to do. Yeah, the body. We have to cut the body and have to paint it and everything, but it's cold here, so I'm a little anxious of painting it because I don't want to destroy everything, you know what I mean? I want to do it right, I want to do the body justice, but first we have to cut it all out. That's the most important thing then. So I hope you enjoy the montage.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
So the build is coming along nicely. I really like how it looks now. It looks like it looks really magnificent. I put a servo in there that I had laying around here, and I just want to make it complete. And yeah, the ESC, of course, I am going to put this one in there. I'm not going to drive the car, I'm not going to run with it, but it's just to make it complete. Let's open the box up and see what's in there. It's a simple ESC, brushed, but hobby ring, you never can go wrong with that.